Hello, my name is Brad from Volkswagen Fan Centre Lancashire, and today I'm going to be taking you around this Volkswagen California Ocean short wheelbase TDI 7sp DSG, presented in that stunning deep black pearl paint. This is a 2-litre diesel engine with 199 PS power output. Here we have your 17-inch silver Devonport alloy wheels. And moving on to the front of the vehicle, dotted along your front bumper are your colour coordinated front parking sensors, which can also be located on your rear bumper for your colour coordinated rear parking sensors. We also have some additional VW and Ocean badging dotted around in multiple areas on the exterior of this camper van. We also have your awning, housing and rail in black. And opening up the tailgate on this California reveals ample space for manoeuvring in and around the rear of the vehicle, and on entry you are met by some storage units on the left where you can store and put away any personal belongings you may be taking with you, along with your bed extension with comfort sleeping mat, and additional storage compartment attached to your tailgate. As we enter the side of the vehicle via your power sliding door, we are presented with your rear 2-seater bench, which is extremely spacious for manoeuvring in and out of, which also houses your kitchenette area where you have your fridge, cooking hob and sink. Now we get our first look at the driver's cab, a quick look at the controls for the power folding heated wing mirrors, and on entry you are met by a very spacious area where you have your multifunctional steering wheel, which we'll touch on later on in the video. Your single passenger seat, along with your driver's seat there, both have armrests located either side to increase comfort on all long and short journeys. And as we pan back around the dashboard, we have an additional storage compartment there, perfect for storing any smaller personal belongings, along with a grab handle allowing for easier access in and out of the driver's cab. To the left of your multifunctional steering wheel we have your cruise control, allowing you to set your required speed, and to the right we have your voice activation. Moving on to the centre console now, I'm just going to go through a few of the many features it has. We start off with your digital radio, where you're able to listen to and find all your favourite radio stations and save them onto the system whilst on the go. You also have the choice of AM and FM there too. A quick look now at App Connect, where you can use Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, which is a feature which allows you to access and use apps from your mobile device, such as Spotify, where you can listen to your own personal playlist, and Google Maps navigation. We also have your navigation, which is extremely easy to use, offering you multiple route guidances to find your required destination. We also get a look at your front and rear parking sensors, allowing for extra safety when reversing or parking this vehicle in any types of surroundings. And directly below your centre console we have your electronically controlled air conditioning system, along with the controls for your passenger and driver heated seats, your automatic DSG shift box, an additional storage compartment and additional drink holders. And directly above your passenger and driver heated seats you have the control unit for your pop-up roof. And once your pop-up roof is fully extended, it really does complete the camper style on this California Ocean.